In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Barclays credit card online. By the end, you'll feel confident making a quick, secure payment through either the Barclays website or the mobile app without any guesswork. Start by getting a couple of things ready: your Barclays online banking login details, and if you plan to type it in manually, your 16-digit credit card number. A stable internet connection helps ensure nothing gets interrupted mid-payment. Go ahead and log into your Barclays online banking account on the web, or open the Barclays app and sign in there. The process is virtually the same in both places, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're in, head to the section labeled Pay and Transfer. This is the central hub for moving money, and it's where you'll initiate your card payment. If you're using the app, look for it in the main menu or along the bottom navigation. On the website, you'll typically find it in the top navigation or dashboard shortcuts. Next, select Make a Payment. This option tells the system you want to send money toward a bill or balance, in this case your credit card. You'll now identify the card you're paying. You can either enter your 16-digit credit card number if it isn't already listed, or simply select your credit card from the accounts shown. If you're typing the number, double-check each block of digits to avoid typos. Choose the account you want to pay from. This will be the bank account the funds come out of, such as your current account. Then enter the payment amount. You can pay the full statement balance, the minimum due, or a custom amount. Make sure there are sufficient funds in the paying account, and be careful with the decimal point so the amount is accurate. Before you send anything, review the details on the confirmation screen. Look closely at the selected credit card, the paying account, and the payment amount. If a payment date is displayed, confirm it's what you expect. When everything looks right, confirm the payment. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to authenticate. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. That's it. Your Barclays credit card payment has been made successfully. You should see a confirmation message, and in many cases, a reference you can keep for your records. The payment may take a short time to reflect on your balance, especially if made late in the day, but you're all set. If you ever need to repeat the process, just follow these same steps and you'll be done in moments.